Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. Kind of came upon an odd sort of story the past couple weeks or past week or so. It was from ASEAN Now, ASEANnow.com. Article is titled, Thailand set to approve special tourist visa for digital nomads. And quoting directly, the spokesperson said the government is working to accommodate the increasing numbers of digital nomads by approving a special tourist visa that allows foreigners to stay for 90 days. Quoting further, the visa can be extended twice, meaning tourists can stay up to 270 days at a time. The government hopes that STVs will help revitalize the tourism industry under effective COVID-19 control and prevention measures. Yeah, this was kind of an odd article to me because we've done videos on this. The special tourist visa was created about a year ago. I think it was like August 2020. And we did a video. We thought it was going to end in September of this year. They extended it. It's out there. There is a special tourist visa. Now, I don't exactly know why this is being kind of aimed at, like, it's being discussed in the context of digital nomads. Now, I guess it could be used by so-called digital nomads if they like, but as we've discussed in other videos, the one big thing with the special tourist visa is what I call the hard out. On the special tourist visa, if you use that 270 days, which is certainly a possibility, you have to leave at the end of it. There is no converting out of the special tourist visa in our experience, and this has been stated. We've done videos quoting the statements on this, that STVs are for 270 days max, and then you have to leave. So depending on your circumstances as a quote-unquote digital nomad, a special tourist visa may not be the most optimal way of spending your time in Thailand, especially if you want to be here on a more permanent basis. But if 9 months out of a given year is enough, it certainly could be very useful to certain people depending on their circumstances.